Okay, welcome to Activity 4 of the 2012 Excel IGCSE ICT Walk and Talk. In this one we're going to look at using spreadsheets, and you've got to read the scenario. So Angela is considering changing the way ticket prices are calculated. She has set up a spreadsheet and entered some test data. She has called a spreadsheet charge. Open the file charge and enter task SS1 and your name in the footer of the spreadsheet. So we'll go to the resources folder. So I'll put it over here. So the resources folder and open charge. Now, to put the footer, we go insert and header footer. We go design and make sure we go footer, and we write task SS1 and then put our name. And we save it. Okay, so that's that one. Now, we want to go back to normal view. We can just go normal, like so. Just drag that over here. Now we can see the spreadsheet has a structure. We have the column headings, which are these here, and we have the description. So we've got city, which is basically the name of the main city near the airport, the current price of the ticket, the distance from London Heathrow to the destination, and the number of customers using that flight in an average week. First of all, I want to have a suitable title. So in the top, I can say the average, the summary of flights from London Heathrow to various destinations. Now, because we've got a title, we want to make sure we make that bold, we increase the size, and of course we extend it across so it's merged. And if we're trying to stretch it into here, then we're going to have to wrap it as well, which means we'll have to make this a bit bigger. The other thing as well, you can see the columns don't fit the text don't fit the columns, so click in the top corner, double click on between the column headings, and that will just make sure that everything fits and you can see it. Okay? Sort the data so that the cities are in ascending order. So it goes from A to Z. So I select the data, and we go to sort. We want cities in ascending order, so that's A to Z, like so, and press OK. If you want another one to sort by, then you can add a level, and we say, let's say distance, smallest to largest. But I don't want that. Press OK. Next, format the spreadsheet so that all the data is visible. Well, I click in the top corner, double click, and I can see all the data. And then format it to improve the readability. Well, I can add the borders around these. So I can have borders. I can make the titles bold, and then down the bottom bold here as well. Okay? Save the task SS1, file, save as SS1. Okay? And print shown on one side. So file, print, and then make sure you just see one side. If it says 1 of 1, that's fine. If not, page setup, fit to 1 by 1, and then print. There we go. Next one. Angela wants to know the income for flights for each day. Enter the heading current income in the next available column. So current income. Okay. And then we need to do a formula to calculate the current income. That's current price times customers. So equals current price multiplied by customers, enter. And then we can drag it down. So I click in the bottom corner and I just drag down a little dot there. The other thing is where it says replicate the formulas down, which is replication. Then it says enter a formula to calculate the total current income. So in the bottom here, I use sum, so I can go to the auto sum symbol, go to the arrow, choose sum, and select the current income. And of course, formatting wise, we can change the prices to a currency. Like so. And the other thing as well, put borders around all these. And again, I would merge that like so. So the title goes over the top. It tells me that I need to save it as task SS2. So save as, and I save it as SS2. I think it says task SS2 actually, like so. And then I print it with the formulas. So formulas, show formulas. I might have to just go to file, print, and if it's 1 by 1, fine, print. Okay? You may get asked to put row and column headings or grid lines. Just go page set sheet, grid lines, and row and column headings. Okay? And to get rid of formulas, show formulas, back to normal. Next, task SS3. Angela wants to know the ticket prices for a flight to each city if she charges if she charges 15 pence. That's 0.15 pounds per kilometre. So enter this value in a suitable cell, add a label. So I'm going to put 0.15 and up the top charge per km. Of course, put bold there and just make that fit. Change this to a currency, like so. Then it says on the same row as the other column headings, enter new ticket price and new income. New ticket price and new income. We need to work out, make them bigger. We need to work out, enter a formula now, which uses absolute cell referencing to calculate the new ticket price. That's distance times charge per kilometre. So, if I do equals distance times charge per kilometre, that will give me my new ticket price. But if I drag that down, if I look, it moves the cells there. Okay, it moves the cells down. That's relative cell references. So in order to stop that, I need to make this cell an absolute cell reference. So I can press F4, or I can just say Shift and 4 before the column, Shift and 4, put the dollar sign before the row number, and then that makes it an absolute cell reference. So I can drag it down. And then the new income, of course, will be number of customers multiplied by new ticket price, enter. And we can drag that down. And of course, we put grid lines. Now we need a new total, so a new total. So that's that one. Enter a formula in a suitable cell to calculate total new income. So I can say total new income. just make the columns bigger, make it bold, and again we would use an auto sum, click and the arrow, sum, and then total new income, and press enter. And then that gives us our stuff. We have to save it as SS3, save, 3, and of course we then print it showing our formulas. So formulas, show formulas, you can often see it if you've got it bigger. Just make the column smaller so it fits, and then you can go to File, Print, make sure it fits 1 per page. If not, page setup, fit 2, and then print. Perhaps make this just going along the top. Actually, make it going all the way along the top, like so. Okay, so it just looks better. Save. Now, the hard part is task SS4. Angela wants to know the minimum charge per kilometre so that she receives the same income from the new ticket price as from the current prices. Use the spreadsheet to find the minimum charge per kilometre. So what we're going to do is a bit of data analysis, and we're going to basically use goal seek. I will take off formulas and I'll show all the data. If you see hashes, that just means the columns aren't wide enough. So just double click it and makes it bigger. So to do goal seek, just go data, what if analysis, and goal seek. And we want to set the total new income price to the old price. Okay? By changing the charge per kilometre. So we press enter, press OK, and it will tell us what charge we have to charge, which is 12p. Okay? And then press OK. And then of course, all you do is we need to save that, save and print. Okay, so we just file, save as, and we call this SS4. And then again, we go file and print. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.